how we met Dad first time, and what was your experience, and how you felt with him.
The first time that I met him?
Yeah.
Well, I remember that I came with Azim and my cousin from Huddersfield, Mohsen. And it was my mum. Was mum here as well? Dad. But it was Dr. Malik who brought him, who brought us here. Because he'd obviously been seeing him for a while. So we were sat right here. I actually still remember the day. We were sat here, and your dad, Shaji, he was sat there. So we was introduced to each other very briefly, and I don't know, we just had this kind of instant connection. He had this really, really nice a smile on his face when he looked at me. And then from there onwards, I really liked his humbleness. So humble, so nice, very, very gentle. So instantly built like a connection with them, instantly. And the rest is history, as they say. Then I used to come to, obviously, all of the zikrs.
And in the day as well.
All of them in the daytimes. Yeah. He used to then make me sit next to him all of a sudden. There was people who'd been here for many, many years. But as I said, we just had this kind of instant connection. I think he also liked me as well, and vice versa. And yeah, he was I would say he was one of the few, if probably the only Allah Wali that I've ever seen with my kind of own eyes.
It was him.
Which is a big thing.
Doubt about it. Same.
So, obviously I see that as a blessing that I was, able to meet, such a big hasti like that,
When you used to sit with him,